down CTC TV. The American Piano of Anissa. Or down for Najatum. Tell party. What I say, Wajatum. Tell party. Party Ajatum. Or down for Timothy. Monty Tum. City TV. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place. Blaster place. Ghana local place. All of the City TV. City
The next candidate also polled 43 votes. The second candidate.
I think you need to start again.
Let me retake. There are 5 candidates who contested in the polls. Number 1 on the ballot is Baba Jamal Ahmed, and he polled 10,884 votes. The second candidate on the ballot is Ibrahim Idrisu, and he also polled 43 votes. The third candidate on the ballot is Yusuf Ali Baba, who also polled 4,009 votes. The fourth candidate is Muhammad Umar Sanda, who also polled 1,885 votes. Kano David, and he polled 104 votes. In all, we had 16,928 valid votes. 120 votes were rejected. And in that case, total votes cast amounts to 17,048. Looking at the just announced results, I, Samuel Mofori, the returning officer of Ayawaso East constituency, hereby announce to you your new MP-elect, Honorable Baba Jamal. I hereby introduce to you your MP-elect in the name of Honorable Baba Jamal. Amen. Congratulations, Honorable.
Yes, let's do this. Honorable, talk to us your reaction to this victory.
In the first place, I want to thank the Almighty Allah for giving us this victory. I want to state that this victory is not for me, Baba Jamal, alone. It's for the good people of East Ayawaso. I want to thank all of them for having confidence in me and electing me as their parliamentary candidate or parliamentary candidate elect. Let me state that I dedicate this victory to my 93-year-old mother, Mimi, for promising to support me and ensuring that one day I'll go back to Parliament. Today, her vision and wish has come true, and I thank Allah for her life, and I dedicate this victory to my mother, Mimi, and also want to thank my wife here and my family, my children, for the spirit of endurance that they've gone through since I made this project my vision to go back to Parliament. I know they've gone through a lot, and I thank them for standing beside me and supporting me all this while. I want to also give special thanks to the national executives of NDC, the chairman and the general secretary. I want to also thank the regional executives of Greater Accra. I want to also thank the constituency executives of East Ayawaso, and more so my people from Akwetia who came in their numbers to support me for this project. I want to thank all of them. Let me also give a special thanks to the President once again for finding me worthy to go and work in Nigeria. Those few months that I stayed in Nigeria has added to my experience, which I'm taking to Parliament to serve this country better. I thank the President so much, and also want to assure the people of East Ayawaso that the resetting of East Ayawaso starts now. We are going to Parliament. We are coming to reset the whole constituency and ensure that what East Ayawaso deserves comes to pass. Thank you very much, the press, for all these weeks that you have also been chasing. For all this year that the press you have been chasing, working with us. I understand sometimes late night that you follow us. I want to thank the press for your support. And I want to believe that I'm going to form a partnership with the press as we reset East Ayawaso. We are going to work, and not even a single criminal or violent incident was recorded. And you, the press, will bear me witness. This tells you that we are rewriting the history of Nima. We are rewriting the history of East Ayawaso. This has been one of the most peaceful elections, and that is going to be the nature of Nima and East Ayawaso going forward. That is what we want the world to see. We want the world to see that East Ayawaso people are peaceful. East Ayawaso people are peace-loving people. So we need to change the image that we have. I want to thank all my... Thank you very much. Thank you.
Amafo Baba never no Baba never. Go forward. His Excellency, MP of East Ayawaso. His Excellency, Amafo Baba never no. The first lady. Baba never no. Thank you very much. Baba never no. Next MP.
MPs may come, but Baba Jamal has come to stay. Baba Jamal has a long way to go, but has come to stay. May go, MPs may come, Baba Jamal has come to stay.
Like the car.
We are moving to the office. When we get to the office, we speak to them.
Honorable, congratulations on your win. I know you're going to leave us in a minute, but before, for those of us who can't join you,
Which year? But I'm a car name.
lot of persons get very hopeful of what you can do for them. Are you on this one assuring them that whatever you have said to them is exactly what Thank you very much. We'll see you later.
mu yi yanzu. Jama'a na gode muku na san an tashi tun da safe an yi vote an yi kuwa an celebrate ta ɗauraka. Don shi ba abin da za mu je round ba zan sai nan gode ma kuruka daga nan ya furi kowa ya je ya huta. Allah ya sa an muka kare azumi lafiya za mu sa ranar da za mu yi celebration kowa ya ji daɗi. Aka ba mu ranar kuma da za mu yi ban bar ku kare an aje lorika da za mu je daga parliament a je a rasa na bore muku yau gare ake muku kowa ya je huta ubangiji Allah ya sa albarka Allah ya yi ka muna Ayawaso